Hardware: Galaxy S24 Ultra, quad camera system. Main, 200 megapixel ultra-wide, megapixel ultra, 12 megapixels, telephoto 1 to 3x optical zoom, likely 10 megapixels sensor, telephoto 2. 5x optical zoom, likely 12 megapixels sensor, larger sensor size compared to iPhone, generally better low light performance. iPhone 15 Pro, triple camera system. Main, 48 megapixel sensor, significant bump from iPhone 14 Pro, ultra-wide, megapixel, 12 megapixels, telephoto. 5x optical zoom, likely 12 megapixels sensor, known for excellent image processing and computational photography photo performance. Main camera. Both excel here, with close details and vibrant colors. S24 Ultra might have a slight edge due to its larger sensor, especially in low light. Zoom. S24 Ultra wins with its dedicated 3x zoom lens. iPhone 15 Pro relies on digital zoom at 3x, resulting in some quality loss. S24 Ultra also shines at 5x zoom with better detail and sharpness. Low light. S24 Ultra's larger sensor could capture brighter and clearer photos in low light conditions. Video performance. Resolution. Both offer 8K recording. But S24 Ultra boasts higher frame rates for slow motion capture. Detail and stabilization. S24 Ultra videos might appear sharper due to its higher megapixel count. Both phones are likely to offer excellent stabilization. Color and tone. iPhone is known for its natural-looking colors, while Samsung tends towards a more vibrant style. Expand_more. This is a matter of preference. Other factors to consider. Selfie camera. Both have 12 megapixels selfie cameras. But S24 Ultra might have a slight edge in noise reduction and color accuracy based on earlier models. Video editing features. Both offer robust editing suites. But details on specific features for the S24 Ultra aren't available yet. Pro mode and manual controls. S24 Ultra offers a built-in Pro mode, while iPhone requires downloading a third-party app for full manual control. Overall, the S24 Ultra boasts a more versatile camera system with its additional telephoto lens and potentially better low-light performance. However, iPhone remains a leader in computational photography and video, offering a natural color profile. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your priorities. If you value zoom options, low light capability, and extensive video features, the S24 Ultra might be the best pick. If you prioritize a simpler interface, excellent video quality, and a natural color aesthetic, the iPhone 15 Pro is a strong contender.